Best IIT JEE Coaching Institute. A brief about the exam. There are two national level entrance tests for engineering colleges in India, IIT JEE Main and IIT JEE Advanced. JEE Main is a computer based online test conducted by National Testing Agency. The JEE Main examination is conducted in two sessions and candidates can take the exam either in the month of January or in April. The top 250,000 students from JEE Main will qualify to appear for JEE Advanced. Through JEE Advanced, students can get a seat in the coveted Indian Institute of Technology. The exam consists of physics, chemistry, and mathematics till class 12th level. The importance of coaching for IIT JEE preparation. Coaching helps students in various ways, such as to understand the actual format of the exam, to understand the competition for the exam, and to understand the syllabus required for the exam. There are some points while one choose any coaching institute for IIT JEE, and those are: how old is an institution, how much the experienced faculties are there, what has been the result of the institution in the past, and what kind of study material they are able to provide. Now, how to choose the best coaching for IIT JEE? When you have decided to join the coaching institute for IIT JEE, it becomes a daunting task to choose a good institute, as it will play a major role in the JEE preparation. Some points to consider while choosing best coaching institute are as follows. Institute should have high quality and experienced staff, and also they maintain them. They track performance of students on regular basis and suggest them ways of improvement. Institute produces better ranks in the past years' competitive exams. The institute has a good code of conduct and works towards the performance improvement of the students. A great coaching provider analyzes the individual performance of a student. The quality of books, test papers, and other resources should be best in the market. Now, why Clear Exam is the best IIT JEE coaching institute for you? There are some reasons, and the first one is the teaching methodology. The teaching methodology that focuses on empowering students to excel all subjects. Then the study material. Study material of Clear Exam is specifically written by experts, which helps the students to build fundamental concepts. Then there is optimum batch size, facilitating proper student faculty interaction, which ensures a conducive yet competitive learning environment for our students. The results, in the end, only results matters the most, and Clear Exam is consistent with its huge number of selection in various engineering entrance exams. And the consistency of results. Our testimonials spell our success. Every year, many students get into their dream college after preparation with Clear Exam.